Greetings to you wherever you are in this world. This is Michelle Strickland, and this is our theology lesson. Like I said, I'm studying. I'm a student. I'm just studying right now. I want to, see what's going on. Keep my perspective in the right place. So I'm getting my lesson done. So I'm going to videotape this. And anybody that has any comments or anything to add, I want you to feel free to add. Okay? Anyway, so if I fumble and stumble, oh well, just get past that. I'm pretending like I'm studying for myself, but just doing it out loud and recording it, Maybe somebody can benefit from it, okay? This was a chapter that one of my friends wanted me to read. I got one more chapter that I'll read that she wanted me to read, and I'll do that one tomorrow. This is out of the Bible, okay? So we're dealing with Mark chapter 13, verses 1 through 37. So we're gonna I'm gonna read every verse. Excuse my allergies. My nose isn't snot, and it's just like a tickle. So sorry. Anyway, so here we go. And as he went out of the temple, one of his disciples saith unto him, Master, see what manner of stones and what buildings are here. And Jesus answering said unto him, Seest thou these great buildings? There shall not be left one stone upon another that shall not be thrown down. Oh boy, we're just into the second verse, y'all. And he sat upon the Mount of Olives over against the temple. Peter and James and John and Andrew asked him privately, Tell us, when shall these things be? And what shall be the sign when all these things shall be fulfilled? And Jesus answering them began to say, Take heed lest any man deceive you. For many shall come in my name, saying, I am Christ, and he shall deceive many. We just know we've heard many, people claim stuff like that. We know we have. We have. I'm just reading what it's saying, okay? When ye shall hear of wars and rumors of war, be ye not troubled, for such things must needs be, but the end shall not be yet. Okay, so that we understand that. And there's a lot of wars and rumors of wars, but we're still here, huh? For the nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be earthquakes in diverse places. There shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginnings of sorrows. Oh, Lord. The signs. What's happening right now? He's shaking and stuff, right? And flooding stuff too, huh? People playing with him. Fires. Nature made, man made. I don't know. I'm just saying, but it happened. And within a short period of time. But take heed to yourselves, for they shall deliver you up to councils. And in the synagogues ye shall be beaten, and ye shall be brought before rulers and kings for my sake, for testimony against them. That's me right now. I am. Yeah, I'm going to say it. Yeah, all principalities. Yeah, that's true. That's my own case right now, torturing me for nothing. Lingering a case that's cut and dry. What are you mad about? The truth? Corruption? God is going to deal with everybody he's telling you, and you see it. You see it. Wrap it up. That's all. Just wrap it up. Just wrap it up. The truth is the truth. I stand for the truth, if it affects me or not. Because if it's the truth, God's with me. So I don't have to worry about it. He's going to protect me regardless because I'm for the truth, okay? Not lies and deceit. No, I'm not. I'm not standing on that. You need to go back to my other videos. I haven't been doing this long, people. Starting to catch up. It's a family-oriented channel, though, so I'm going to keep it clean. I'm at the beginning of all of this, and I'm not going to let people destroy me for that and try to get in my way. Because I'm going to build something great, and it's going to be to help people. I'm going to do it. And I'm not going to let people drag me down into the dirt behind lies. You'll have to prove yourself. Somebody's going to have to prove themselves. You are. And the gospel must first be published among all nations. So, hey, you know, he's got people out here letting people know to praise God. He do. People aren't going to have an excuse. Diverse places is places you don't never hardly hear about, and you know. Back in the cut places. He coming there too. And the gospel must first be published among all nations. But when they shall lead you and deliver you up, take no thought beforehand what ye shall speak, neither do ye premeditate, but whatsoever shall be given you in that hour, that speak ye. For it is not ye that speak, but the Holy Ghost. So you know, when we don't have to have a whole lot of prepared stuff. When we go to speak, now I'm going to be prepared. You can best believe that. I'm going to be prepared, but when it comes time to speak, I don't have to prepare for that. And if you're honest, you don't have to prepare for that. It's not saying anything about your paperwork, nothing like that. It's about when you go to speak. Talk. If you telling the truth, you don't have to, but you got to practice. Telling the truth. Come on, Father. Y'all getting ready to get whooped. People getting ready to get their buns tore off of their back. You really are. Because my friend told me to read these 3 chapters. And I had already been dealing with stuff before she even gave me these 3 chapters to study. See, she's a theologian. She's a minister. So I'm dealing with people that know what they talking about. Ordained. That's a shame, boy. Let me go and finish this. I'm just looking at you, world. Come on now. Y'all getting us all in trouble. We all got enough already we dealing with. Now the brother shall betray the brother to death, and the father the son, and the children shall rise up against their parents and shall cause them to be put to death. Boy, that's a shame, boy. Rotten beans. That's rotten beans. I'm not even going to repeat that. That's just rotten. Everybody understands that. And that's happening today. You see it. You see it. You see it every day. And you got these little shows dedicated to all that madness, stupid stuff. Just stupid stuff. Why would they feed us that kind of shows? It's demonic. Let me hurry up and get through this. I'm only halfway finished. There's a lot in this. And you shall be hated of all men for my name's sake. But he that shall endure until the end, the same shall be saved. Hey, I'm going for being saved. Most people they misunderstood who I was, don't know me, ain't spoke to me, nothing. They just looked and I automatically assume I'm just some bum or something, or crazy or something. by looking at me. 2 degrees, have worked in all levels of government, have worked in nonprofits, have helped numerous, thousands, tens of thousands of people. But then people knew me because they saw me. Never spoke to me, never asked my opinion, nothing. In the background, I'm God's servant, baby. I don't give a crap what them people say. They not paying nothing at this house right here. Nothing. But it hurt, though, to see these people scoff and mock me. It hurt. But I'm strong. They regret it now. They're feeling bad now. Well, your first reaction was the one I saw. So I'm going to remember that. Be careful, world, of that. Don't put yourself in danger, but watch how you judge people, though. But when ye shall see the abomination of desolation spoken of by Daniel the prophet standing where it ought not, let him that readeth understand. Then let them that be in Judah flee to the mountains. We know what abomination means, and we know what desolation means, right? It's just, we know. Doing all kinds of things that are displeasing to God, So it's going to be desolated, all of that. We got to move forward with that. We got to change what's happening right now. We can't keep continuing on with this where evil is dominating because it's destroying our society. Okay? And it's not good. The children shouldn't come up having to see all this crap on TV. It's not good. And I'm going to stand up for it, against it. You can have fun without all this lascivious crap. Just demonic. And let him that is on the housetop not go down into the house, neither enter therein to take anything out of his house. So man, when he comes through, if you're on the roof, that's it, leave it. Don't try to go down in there and get anything. Just leave it. And let him that is in the field not turn back again for to take up his garment. If something breaks off, don't worry about it. Don't turn back. Don't. That's what it's saying. Woe to them that are with child, and to them that give suck in those days. I'm sorry for you young moms like that, or just going through these horrible things, Listen, it's going to be a sorrowful time, and I feel sorry for it. I do. And pray ye that your flight be not in the winter. Man, look, what if something happened, then what? And we got to book up. And it's winter time. Here in the Midwest, winter goes below 0. And if you don't have the right clothes, you're gonna be in trouble. So make sure you have the right clothes. Do your prepper stuff. Look and see what kinds of things you need to have available to you, just in case something. Just in case of emergency. Everybody should have a flight kits. To just leave. I gotta get mine organized, but I got stuff though. For in those days shall be affliction such as was not from the beginning of the creation which God created unto this time, neither shall be. That's gonna be bad, whatever it is. It's gonna be worse than ever anything. That's what it's saying. And except that the Lord had shortened those days, no flesh shall be saved, but the elect's sake, whom he hath chosen and hath shortened the days. So, his God's people, his elect, are going to be saved. Only his elect. His chosen ones. So it's sad. Better find God, please. Find him while there's still time. And then if any man shall say to you, lo, here is Christ, or lo, he is there, believe him not. Don't believe it right there. For false Christs and false prophets shall rise and shall show signs and wonders to seduce, if it were possible, even the elect. So be careful with who you're following. I'm not asking you to follow me. I'm asking you to learn, to learn. As I'm learning. I will be a mentor for you, though. I just want to offer opportunities for you, give you resources and things of that sort. If you feel you want to follow, subscribe, that's fine. But I'm just walking on this earth like everybody. But I want us to have a place where we can feel safe about it and know that whatever information we're going to get is going to be something that's going to help us on this journey. But take ye heed, behold, I have foretold you all things. But in those days, after that tribulation, the sun shall be blackened, and the moon shall not give her light. Boy, that would be bad. That's gonna be bad. I hope we're not in those days. I'm praying that it doesn't happen in our lifetime. I don't want it to happen ever, but that's like cold. Then it'll be cold. And the stars of heaven shall fall, and the powers that are in the heavens shall be shaken. Now, stars falling? People are laughing, saying, the stars are going to fall. All the heaven's not going to shake. How do we know that? It shakes on the earth, doesn't it? Stuff falls out of the sky. And they shall see the Son of Man coming in the clouds with great power and glory. I just want to have mercy on me when he comes. I'm not going to explain that. And then shall he send his angels and shall gather together his elect from the four winds, from the uttermost part of the earth to the uttermost part of the heaven. Have mercy on me, Lord. Have mercy on me. And please find God while you still can. Atone for your mistakes. Just atone for them. Now learn a parable of the fig tree. When her branch is yet tender and putteth forth leaves, you know the summer is near. Okay? That's just a seasonal thing. Okay? So ye in like manner, when ye shall see these things come to pass, know that it is nigh, even at the doors. So it's not yet, but it's at the door, though. It's coming. Verily I say unto you, that this generation shall not pass till all these things been done. Let's pray that we can just push it off by changing some, maybe. Maybe God will put it off, But I don't know. It's up to him. He's coming to show people now that those show-offs, we're big and bad. Yo, you're not. No, you're not. Matter of fact, you got this whole earth tilting in an uproar. The earth is not balanced now. So now we all have to pay for you. That's a problem. Heaven and earth shall pass away, but my word shall not pass away. His word's gonna go. Gonna be in the atmosphere. Where's that going? The atmosphere is gonna be the atmosphere. It might change, depending on what he decides to do with us all. He might change the whole atmosphere. That's, to accommodate how he wants to restart this earth or whatever, or what he wants to do to it, to tear it down. Could change the whole atmosphere. This is thousands of years old book. This book is thousands of years old. These writings. But of that day and that hour knoweth no man, no, not the angels which are in heaven, neither the Son by the Father. That's why I'm praying. I'm like, Lord, please have mercy, because he can put off as long as he wants. Or he can deal with it as soon as he wants. So I'm taking a chance on pushing it out, trying to make a difference so people can become better, It's up to him. Not us, him. Take ye heed, watch and pray, for ye know not when the time is. Just saying it again. For the Son of Man is as a man taking a far journey, who left his house and gave authority to his servants, and to every man his work, and commanded the porter to watch. So he just gave assignments to the people that work for him. He left when he left people in charge, and gave them authority and told them to watch. So there's some good people out here, There's some people that have mishandled though, so they're gonna have to pay for that. When they have to account to him for it, because everybody's gonna have to account to God for what they did. We do, me included. I got stuff too, but I don't ask God, forgive me. I have. I'm threw my stuff out there. My stuff is public record. Most of what I've done, I put myself out there. Had to. So, bring it. What? Bring it. My stuff, I've had to put my stuff out there for lots of people to read and find out, so whatever they got. Nowhere but up for me, baby. Nowhere but up. And I'm going to stand up. And I'm going to do what my Father brought me here to do. Because he told me what to do. And I'm going to get it done one way or the other. No demons are going to stop me. And he's going to bring the people into my life to help this everything manifest. And to do what he wants to have done on this earth while we're still here. Watch ye therefore, for ye know not when the master of the house cometh at even, or at midnight, or at the cock crowing, or at the morning, lest coming suddenly he find you asleep, he find you sleeping. And what I say unto you, I say unto all, watch. I'm watching for him. I'm watching for him. I'm always looking for him. I'm always looking for him. I'm always looking for him. Yeah. You better too. You better too. That's our lesson for today. If you have any comments, please feel free to contribute, because we want to hear your side and what your input is, so that we can all grow. That's all. I just want us to all grow and be better. Okay? So I want you to remember to smile this day anyway, and reach out to one person at a time. One person at a time. One person at a time. Okay?